It kind of stung a little bit, but it didn't hurt.
Oh, at 6, Stanford medicine researchers have started enrolling children younger than 12 in clinical trials to evaluate their response to the Pfizer COVID vaccine. And with more children returning to school, questions continue as to when those under age 12 will be able to get that vaccine. Good evening, everybody. I'm Pale Moore. Thank you for joining us for Crown 4 News at 6. I'm Pale Moore.
And I'm Ken Wayne. It's all dependent on the results of a number of vaccine trials that are going on across the country, one of which is happening at Stanford. Crown 4's Dan Kerman joins us now live with more. Dan.
That's right. By the end of the month, the trial, in fact, there are 4 at Stanford, but the key one, which should be done by the end of the month, is for those age 5 to 11. That will be compiled with other similar trials across the country when Pfizer then submits that data to federal health officials. The hope is to have a vaccine allowable before the end of the year.
We're so grateful that masking is a thing in our schools. However, the fact that they also have, been vaccinated, there's breathing a sigh of relief that we know they're protected.
Renee and Miguel Chavez are breathing easier these days because they enrolled their kids in Stanford's COVID-19 Pfizer vaccine trial for children under the age of 12.
I was all ready to do it because I've gotten flu shots and it was like a bigger flu shot.
Their 9-year-old son Nico got his first jab in June, as did his 6-year-old sister Sophia.
The first one, it didn't hurt at all.
The Chavez's mom is an ICU nurse and heard about the trial through work. That's when the research began.
We wanted to do everything we could to keep our immediate family and our community safe. So having them be a part of the trial gave them the opportunity to get the vaccine.
We felt really comfortable with the stage of where it was at. It was already in millions of Americans at that point and across the world too. So we felt that for our kids, it was very safe for them at that point.
Now the kids have more opportunities.
It's pretty fun to actually hang out with my friends and do more things.
Going forward, infectious disease specialists are hopeful the vaccine will be cleared for all of those under 12.
Children should have the same advantages as adults in preventing infectious diseases that can cause complications. And to this point, we don't really understand what any long-term impacts could be of this virus on adults and children.
Pfizer is expected to compile all of its data in pediatric vaccine trials sometime in October and deliver it to federal health officials. That means there is a possibility that it could be approved before the end of the year for those age 5 to 11. Reporting live, Dan Kerman, Crown 4 News.
Yeah.